Today we're going to cover everything you need to know about setting up and managing a PayPal business account, whether you're a small business owner or looking to expand your payment options online. This guide will help you understand how to leverage PayPal for your business. A PayPal business account is designed specifically for merchants and business owners, providing them with tools to accept payments online, in person and via invoices. It offers features like multi-user access, detailed transaction reports, and the ability to set up subscriptions or recurring payments. A PayPal business account is free to set up, but PayPal charges transaction fees for processing payments. To create a PayPal business account, go to the PayPal website and select Sign up for a business account. You'll need to provide your business information, including your business name, address, and the type of business you run. So what are the features and benefits of a business account? You can accept payments from customers globally, including credit cards, debit cards, and PayPal balances. You can create and send professional invoices directly through PayPal, with the option for customers to pay immediately. You can allow multiple users to access the account with varying permission levels, which is ideal for teams. You can access detailed reports and transactions, helping you keep track of sales and managing taxes. PayPal Business can be integrated into your website or e-commerce platform, allowing customers to check out using PayPal seamlessly. Most major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce support PayPal integration. PayPal charges a fee for processing payments, which varies depending on the type of transaction. For domestic transactions, the fee is usually around 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. International fees may occur. Factor these fees into your pricing strategy to maintain your profit margins, especially for smaller transactions. How can you maximize your PayPal business account? First, try setting up instant payment notifications. You will automatically receive notifications for payments, refunds, or chargebacks. You can use PayPal Here if you sell in person. PayPal Here allows you to accept payments on the go using a mobile card reader. Try exploring PayPal Working Capital. Once established, you might be eligible for PayPal Working Capital, a quick and easy way to get business loans based on your PayPal sales. If you're running a business and using PayPal, it's crucial to understand the restrictions associated with PayPal business accounts. Aside from increased fees, your account may be subject to limits on transactions or withdrawals, especially if your business has high volume sales or receives large payments. You can view all your limitations in your settings. PayPal can hold or freeze your funds if they suspect any suspicious activity. It's important to have documentation ready to verify your transaction. You have to ensure that your business adheres to PayPal's acceptable use policy to avoid any penalties or restrictions. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.